This is the first part of our wine glass tone experiment. Previously, we did an experiment where we made a tone by rubbing the lip of the glass, and that was interesting. But now we're going to take some measurements. Okay, so you'll notice that I put tape on the side of the glass at various places. And to give you an idea of how I did that, I marked off divisions on the edge of this piece of paper using this ruler. And so these marks are 1 centimeter apart. And so I placed the pieces of tape at 1 centimeter increments, starting from the bottom where I estimated the bottom of the inner part of the glass to be. So I did that also by cutting out this other piece of strip of paper and then sticking it in here, and then from the bottom estimated where that 1 centimeter mark should be. So that first piece of tape with the 1 written on it should represent a depth of 1 centimeter from the bottom of the glass. So in doing this experiment, we want to set up our glass like this first. That's the first part. So altogether we have, I think it is 10 pieces of tape. So we're going to try 10 different levels of water, including the bottom level, which we're going to use as a reference measurement in our regression analysis later on. So again, this was part 1 of our wine glass tone experiment.